Jai Hind everyone. We are studying polynomials and our today's topic is factor theorem. Yes, factor. First you need to understand the concept of factor. When we divide 4 by 2, we got remainder is equals to 0. Therefore we can say 2 is a factor of 4. And when we divide 5 by 2, we get remainder is equal to 1. And in this case we will say that 2 is not a factor of 5. 2 is not a factor of 5 since remainder is not equal to 0. Yes, if the remainder is equal to 0, then 2 will be a factor. If remainder is not equal to 0, then 2 will not be a factor. This is known as your factor theorem. Now this factor theorem we will apply on polynomials. If px is a polynomial of degree n is greater than or equal to 1 and a is any real number, then x minus a is a factor of the polynomial px if pa is equals to 0, and you know pa is the remainder. So x minus a is a factor if remainder is equals to 0. Like here, 2 is a factor if remainder is equal to 0. And opposite of 0.1, remainder will be equal to 0, means pa will be equal to 0 if x minus a is a factor of px. Yes, if remainder will be 0, then 2 is a factor of 4. We are applying this concept here. So the factor theorem is very simple to understand by these two examples. You need to know the meaning of factor, then you can understand factor theorem. Now example number 1, which is based on factor theorem. Check whether gx is equals to x plus 2 is a factor of px, where px is equals to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay, so it starts its solution. Find 0 of gx, because we have to check gx is a factor of px or not. So we will find the 0 of gx. 0 we will find by putting gx is equals to 0. So gx is equals to 0. The value of gx is x plus 2. Therefore x plus 2 will be equal to 0. 2 will be transposed and it will become minus 2. X is equals to minus 2. We can understand it like a. Now we will find the remainder. This is our px polynomial and we want to find its remainder. Remainder we knows by the remainder theorem, pa will be the remainder. So we will first replace x by a, then it will be a pa. pa is equals to x cube plus 3a square plus 3a plus 1, and a is equals to minus 2. So we will replace x by minus 2. So p minus 2 we will find. Now put x is equals to minus 2 in px, we get p minus 2. Here you are finding x, we will replace x by minus 2. So px means p minus 2 is equals x cube. X cube means minus 2 cube plus 3x square. It means plus 3 minus 2 square. We are replacing x by minus 2 plus 3x plus 3 into x will replace by minus 2 here and 1 will remain same. After solving this, we are getting p minus 2 is equals to minus 1. What is p minus 2? P minus 2 is the remainder, and we are finding here that remainder is equal to minus 1. And if remainder is equals to minus 1 and it is not equal to 0, if remainder is not equal to 0, then it is not a factor. Therefore gx is not a factor of px. Like in this example, when we got remainder is 1, then 2 is not a factor of px. Here remainder is minus 1. Therefore gx will not be a factor of px. Let us take another example. Question number 3 of exercise 2.4 in your NCERT book. Find value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of px is equals to x square plus x plus k. What we will do? In first part, we will find the 0 of x minus a. To find 0 of x minus a, we have to put it equal to 0. X minus 1 is equals to 0, transpose minus 1, it will become plus 1. So x is equals to a. Let this is equal to your a, which is a real number. Now, given that x minus 1 is a factor of px, if x minus 1 is a factor of px, then remainder will be equal to 0 by factor theorem. X minus 1 is a factor of px, therefore pa will be equal to 0. Pa is your remainder. Remainder is equals to 0. The value of a is 1. So we will put a is equals to 1 here. P1. So we will put 1 in place of x. Px is equals to x square plus x plus 1 plus k. So we will replace this x by 1. X square means 1 square. X means plus 1 plus k means plus k, because it is a constant term. It is equal to 0. Now 1 square is 1 plus 1 plus k, 1 plus 1 2, and k is equals to minus 2. So the value of the k is minus 2. In second example, question is same. It is the second part of this question. The given polynomial is 2x square plus kx plus under root 2. It is given that x minus 1 is a factor of this polynomial and we have to find the value of k. What we will do? We will solve this question in the same pattern. We will find its remainder and we know remainder is pa. If x minus 1 is a factor of this polynomial, then remainder will be equal to 0 and the value of a is 1. So we will replace a by 1. P1. We have px is equals to 2x square plus kx plus root 2. We will replace x by 1. So 2 x square means 1 square plus k into 1 plus root 2 is equals to 0. 1 square will be 1 and 2 multiplied by 1, 2. K into 1, k plus root 2 is equals to 0. 2 and root 2 will transpose to the right hand side and k will be equal to minus 2 and plus root 2 will be also minus root 2. We have taken minus common, that's why 2 plus root 2 is our final answer of the k. This is the factor theorem and we have solved 2 examples of this factor theorem. Rest of the questions and the exercise I am giving you in your homework. Thank you.